can make a good project and submit to them, easily we can get it. It's not at all difficult because there are no good proposals going, but your proposal has to be very good. And with that money we can add things to our lab, which also you can spend your money. It becomes your money, not the college money or the university money. It comes to the individual who is doing project. There are projects which are being taken up by some of the engineering colleges where they will give a departmental special assistance scheme. The whole department will get minimum 45 lakhs and maximum 2 crores. That's the bundle of information.
OneDrive itself produced by AICTE, DST, there are many of these. Prominent among them being AICTE and DST.
DST gives maximum. Department of Special Assistance Schemes are all given by UGC DST. It's called a UGC DST project. Suppose we can propose a good project and imagine you get 45 lakhs for the college. Not that, you can take research assistant under you, you can have research associate under you, and you can start doing the work, and those becomes publication. You will have money for conferences. All that should be under. So I think conferences, workshops, research projects, lot of proposals should go from each of the department. That should be one of the. Each department should have at least one project being submitted.
Actually, this year we really did a good.
I think big contribution was from him. It was a great opportunity for me as I joined. I could do this. Otherwise, I will not even meet you. Like, I cannot go to every department and meet you. I found very happy when somebody said I am meeting somebody's first time and then talking. It's a great opportunity to meet people around. I will only speak generally learning and teaching. Nothing about that. So, given such opportunity, I did what I can. Very happy to some extent, but some extent I am not that happy because punctuality is very bad. I am sure most of the time you are here, before that I am here. It's always like that. I believe in punctuality, either in the bus, even to catch the bus also. I have never been out of my bus stop. I found today at least 2-3 places the bus has to stop 5 minutes, 10 minutes for waiting for somebody. So bad practices. If you cannot be punctual in life, cannot be punctual in a program. I'm sure there are only one place people get punctual, that's on their own wedding. When you attend somebody's wedding also, do go late. Never do that. Whatever you can do that, do it punctual. Don't say that I am very busy and all that. It's all stupid. We are not as busy as somebody else. And prioritizing things have to happen. People have to be open for discussions. It has to make a lot of relationship, learning and teaching together. Intra-departmental cultural discussion should come. The culture should go. It's not on eating and chatting and all that, but on education and discussions. I think there is a digital library which I heard it's almost dead. I think there has to be a good demand from you to make it up and then start doing it. I found that we had 2 systems, none of them were working when we really wanted. As a technical organization, when we say it's a very bad state of affairs, it's not that facilities are not there, the maintenance is not taken care of. I think we have to take care of all that, nothing will happen in any of these. Loophole should not be there. We should take it as our objective and our matter and then come and jump and do it. That has to be there. So, anyway, I enjoyed a lot of meeting with you. A lot of thanks.